everybody, it's Stephanie Mitchell with Lasting Order, and today we are organizing gift wrap, and a couple tips I have for you, and they'll make your holiday gift wrapping go a little bit quicker this year or next year, is to designate different occasions. So as you can see over here, I have gift boxes, and then I have ribbon and bows. I also have tissue paper, and then I've put them into Christmas according to size, and then various occasions, and then birthday. And if you kind of clump them all in categories and put them in separate containers, that way it's a lot easier when you go to look for a bag. You don't have to run to the store. You can just run to your storage that you already have for all of your gift wrapping needs, and it's a cinch. And you're actually reusing as well. So that's my tip. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions or if you need help with getting your stuff organized or anything else, feel free to give us a call, 812-858-2457. Thanks again. Bye-bye.